Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, I'm going to show you how much CYT will you get by playing Dragonary. At the same time, I'm going to give you some ideas on how to level up easily in the game. Okay, so let's start. But before that, I just want to show you the token of Coinary or CYT. Ayan, no? Yan yung kanilang symbol ng kanilang token. Okay, so ano nga ba si CYT token? So, Coinary token or CYT is a token that uses ERC20, okay, or BEP20 technology. Okay? So, ano yung networks ng CYT token? So, we have the Callisto token, ayan, at saka si CBSC network, and sooner magkakaroon sila ng integration with the Polygon network. Okay, so ilan ang maximum supply ng token ni CYT? So, there are 1 billion maximum na yan, no? Maximum supply. Okay, so deflationary ba si CYT? Yes. Every time may breeding at fusions na mangyayari sa game, guys, mababurn no, yung token up to 80%, and the remaining 20% will be allocated to the players. Okay, so when we say kasi deflationary, ayun, no, bababa yung amount of tokens available, and then because of that, the value of the token will increase. Ayan. So, ano ang tokens initial distribution? So, we have the airdrop with the Coinary TV community, 4.1%. Naganap siya noong mga around 2 to 3 months ago, no? So, wala na pong airdrop. The Dragonary, ayan, sa paglalaro, guys, 74.9% of the token will be allocated there. And then investors, 16%, and then developers, 5%. So, a total of 100%. Okay, so ano ang CYT mining ng game? Meron kasi siyang ganitong feature. So, Coinary tokens are obtained by playing Dragonary and mining CYT. And it is like mining cryptocurrencies, no, as Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, ganun yung concept. It's just that it is done in a game. Okay, so there will be a limited amount of coins or tokens each day, no? So, meron siyang maximum amount of tokens that will be mined every day. So the amount of CYT received by players depends on the rarity of the account. So the amount of CYT token that you will get in a day depends on what kind of account you are holding, no? Kung rare, common, uncommon, epic, and so on. Okay? So ito siya, example, no? Meron kang 3 common dragons, tapos meron kang 2 uncommon dragons, and 4 rare dragons. Therefore, yung account mo will be considered as rare kasi rare dragons yung pinakamarami sa'yo. Okay? Another, what if no may magkapareha? So let's say we have 3 common dragons, also 3 rare dragons. Tapos dalawa yung uncommon dragons mo. So your account will be considered as uncommon. Kasi magkapareho si common at saka si rare. So considered 1 yan siya. The second in rank will be the basis na of the rarity of your account. Okay? Yes, ito yung token mining distribution. If your account is common, you will get 1.5% of the daily allocation no, of the token. Uncommon naman will be 2%, rare will be 10%, epic 20%, legendary will be 27.5%, tapos may mga bonus pa sila. Mythical accounts will get 35% with bonus also, and in the PvP or player versus player, magkakaroon ng 4% doon na token allocation. So kung magjo-join ka sa mga PvP, then better, no? Because you will get CYT tokens there. Yan. So magkano ang makukuha kong CYT in a day? Ito yung tanong, no? So to mine CYT, you should accumulate obsidian. Ito yung nasabi ko sa isa kong vlog na yung mga rewards na makukuha natin sa mga missions, isa na doon si obsidian. And that will be obtained in each battle. Okay, it will have an established limit per day and will allow 100% of distribution among accounts with the same rarity. So, kailangan maubos yung 100% na yun na distribution in a day. Okay, so lahat naman tayo makakakuha ng obsidian. So, example guys, yung account mo is common. Okay, tapos diba pag common account, your token allocation is 1.5% out of 100%. So, the maximum day, tapos let's say, sa first 90 days kasi, 1 million CYT yung maximum daily token na i-distribute. So, kung common na yung account mo, and then, let's say, common yung account mo, no? Tapos sa 1 million, 1.5% nun is 15,000 CYT. So itong 15,000 CYT, paghahati-hatian ito ng lahat ng players na may common na account. For example, 1,000 players yung may common na account. Therefore, every day, meron silang tig 15 CYT token na makukuha every day. Okay? So example lang yun siya. So what if ano ka naman, rare yung account mo, that's 10%, no? So mas malaki. Sa 1 million, 100,000. It divides sa 1,000 players. That's 10, yeah, that's 1,000 CYT a day. Tama ba? O, diba? So mas malaki siya. Ayan. Okay? Klaro. Alam niyo yung pinakamahina talaga ako sa math nung college, masters at saka doctorate ko. Pero sa ginagawa ko ngayon, bakit ako nagmamas? Anyway, this is just to make things simpler for everyone. So, sana ma-appreciate niyo yung effort ko mag-compute, no? Kasi nung college ako, kahit nung nag-masters and doctorate na, pinakaayaw ko talaga yung math. Tapos, yan, no, nagpapaturo at nagpapatulong ko sa classmates. Anyway, so going back, ayan, no? So, every day, 1 million CYT ba yung ilalabas ni Dragonary? Okay, so ganito siya guys. In the first 90 days, 1 million per day muna. Pagka 91 to 180 days, 500 CYT na lang. No? So that's what you call halving. So magiging half na lang yung ibibigay, no? Or i-distribute. 181 to 270 days, that's going 250 CYT per day. And 271 days onwards, no? They're expecting up to 10 years siya. That's going to be 125,000 CYT per day na lang yung i-distribute to the players. Okay? So what makes playing Dragonary and mining for ETH similar? Okay? So yung ETH or Ethereum, no, alam naman natin, it is a cryptocurrency that can be mined by using our GPUs, di ba? And those GPUs are active 24/7, solving math calculations, and then you get rewarded for solving them, right? So sa mga miners dyan, alam kong familiar kayo dito, your earnings will be based on your mining power. So if you want to get more earnings, of course, you need to increase the amount of GPUs, no? So kailangan mo talaga mag-invest sa GPU mo. The network difficulty increases depending on how many GPUs are mining. So making it harder to mine. So you can update or add more GPUs in order to keep your earnings. Ayan. So similar din siya, no, na concept sa Dragonary. All these concepts apply to Dragonary. The better the dragons, the bigger the rewards on CYT, right? And you should focus on having the best quality dragons and get rid of the less rare ones to get the highest amount of obsidian per day. So wag kayong mag-breed ng mga common dragons ninyo, no? If possible, doon kayo mag-focus sa mga uncommon or rare or epic para mag-level up agad yung inyong account. Kasi nga, di ba, kung ano yung pinakamaraming type of dragons ka, yun yung kukunin nila, yun yung magiging base nila sa kanila, sa rarity ng iyong account. Alright? So, any easy leveling up ideas? Ito yung masasabi ko. Ayan. So, meron silang ino-offer ngayon, no? This is going to be for 12 days. May mining starter pack at saka farming starter pack. So, mamaya, I will show you, no, how this could help you, no, to level up in the game. So, sa mining starter pack, you will get 1 rare dragon and 1 rare ember. That's going to be 59.99 USD. And in farming starter pack, you'll get 3 uncommon dragons and 1 uncommon ember. So, ganito siya, guys. Sa start ng game, there are 3 free common dragons, right? Therefore, your account will be considered as common. And because of that, you will get 1.5% of CYT allocation. Okay? Kung ayaw mong maglabas, okay, kung ayaw mong bumili ng mga starter pack, this is what you will get. 3 free common dragons. But then you can breed naman, no, your common dragons. And then, of course, to come up with more dragons, tapos until na mag-level up sila up to level 40, ayan, magiging uncommon na naman sila. And then, yun, no? Pero, medyo matagal yung process, no, kapag ganito siya. Pero, kung gusto mo lang naman, no, na kung masipag ka naman, ayan, tsaka wala kang pang-invest, pwedeng-pwede ka naman dito. Okay, this is optional. And then, what if, no, bumili ka ng isang farming pack? So, ganito yung mangyayari. Start of the game, there are 3 free common dragons. Tapos, magbabuy ka ng 1 farming pack that will give you 3 uncommon dragons and 1 uncommon ember. So, use ember. Okay, gagamitin kasi natin yung ember to fuse, no, or to breed. So use your uncommon ember to breed uncommon dragons. So kapag nag-breed tayo ng dalawang uncommon dragon, magiging 4 uncommon dragons na magkakaroon tayo. So ang result, magkakaroon tayo ng 3 common dragons, yung free at saka yung 4 uncommon dragons. Meaning, yung account mo ay mako-consider na as uncommon, making you, of course, you will get 2% CYT allocation because of that. Okay? So kung gusto mo agad maging uncommon yung iyong account, go, no? You can buy the farming pack. How about if you buy one mining pack, yung 59.99 USD? So again, start of the game, you have 3 free common dragons, and then sa mining pack, you have 1 rare dragon plus 1 rare ember. So you will need 5 rare dragons to fuse. No? So hindi ka pa makakapag-fuse dito or breed kasi isa lang yung rare dragon mo. Kailangan 5 no, to fuse into 1 epic dragon. Ganun. So the result will be 3 common dragons and 1 rare dragon. Therefore, yung account mo is common. Okay, so 1.5% lang yung CYT allocation mo even if you buy the mining pack. Ayan. Pero what if you buy 4 mining packs? Ayan, so you'll get 3 free common dragons, 4 rare dragons, no? Plus 4 rare embers, and then you will need 5 rare dragons pa to fuse, so hindi ka pa rin pwedeng mag-fuse. Pero, the result will be 3 common dragons plus 4 rare dragons. Your account will be considered as rare account. That makes you get 10% CYT allocation. Okay, so it's gonna cost you 239.96 USD. Ewan ko kung sulit siya for you. Ayan, no? Pero para to sa may mga budget. Pero ako personally, I would just go for the farming. Sa farming pack, ayan. Tapos focus na lang siguro sa pag-breed ng mga uncommon, pag-level up nila, and so on hanggang sa maging rare, no? And then once rare na yung dragons, then you can do the fusions na. Okay, so that's it guys regarding no, the CYT token and how much you will get every day. Ayan, so sana nakatulong itong update ko regarding this game. Malapit na no, yung kanyang stress test and also the IAO. Ayan. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you are new, you can click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a great day everyone. Bye!